Heyo, sanibonani. Remember, it's your boy, Sakitleni Mukwena, Angchoma Angchwenzi, Angchoma Angchoshi, Agazi Ngilibophi Phondo, Sengishange brush. Kimleli kasiyemo, kimsehla kamala, kamatepe, mute, spamse inyonyi. Tubula makazini safa endlala. Okay, bafethu, sisazobuya, disatlonza, sisazokhipha. Ya, nibukele, it's a new thing. Asikhulumi, sizoringa, as offend umuntu, but sifuna amaqiniso end of the day. Remember bafethu ukuthi lapho ku YouTube bafethu subscribe bafethu sanicela bafethu share bafethu clicka nasi schooling yonke into ukuthi be right bafethu ngisaphethe iHotman la udideng uZino Zino there's a video man etrendayo abantwana abancane alomlungu lo ngale ephesheya bathi ubapha ama 10,000 basho kanjalo bathi ubapha ama 10,000 so it's hurt man, it's hurt. There's something wrong country yethu, there's something wrong enzakala la country nyeke zenzeke kwamanye ama country. There's something wrong whereby whoever afuna ukudlala ku playground as a country yethu, like it's very hurt. I don't know Hotman, what's your point?
What is happening in the country now, what is trending when you go to Facebook and Instagram and TikTok. I think I saw that video from TikTok that there is this champ who uthiwa ekasi ukakade kaninzi yabona uhambile lo mjita. For me, my take is that I wouldn't have a problem if it was an African. I wouldn't see a problem. There was an African male who trended, I think it was last year, he posted close to 400 videos on the internet.
Yes.
With different women.
Backstazer. Something like that. Yalshonga lomjita ibona. Ayibona walila.
Yalibona. Yalibona. I didn't watch those movies, but I saw them.
Okay. Bathi indoda enjani engabukeli hub. Akusindoda ungabukeli hub. Bafethu bukela nama hub.
Okay. Yeah. This guy that is trending in the country is not he might be, I don't know usuka kuphi, but into endiyaziyo ayingomni walapha eAfrika, and it's a problem ukuthi i-target yakhe ibingabantu balapha, and women, South African women more especially, I think from around Ekurhuleni, and they are coming from that side, east of Joburg. They've been doing these things. It goes back to the problem and the solutions that we have stated before, that if men are not strong enough to take care of their women, they will always, the enemy will always find ways to break through and do these kind of things. And when I see the guy and look at how he's been doing that, ayonto cabuvuke izolo wayicinga wayenza into ekudala, kutsho ukuthi for me xa ndijonga he's so professional to the point that he is not alone when he is doing those things, and it's a mission that they are doing. For instance, if you are saying that there is a post, you are calling all actors to come, and then when they get there, you start to change their minds to agreeing to the real point that you called them for. So for me, I see the goal was to do that, not to call them to the jobs, because abaphuma ngendlini beyazi ba bayokwenza dayideng, bayazi ukuthi bayokwenza lando xa befika pha. It shows that there is a lack of discipline that is happening in our women. there is a breakthrough of the enemy among the lines and the safety of the country. Iphinde ndithi men, they're supposed to protect their women from these things, and now it's getting out of hands that we will start to blame the ihlobo abakhule ngalo, siblame abazali babo, sibablame bona for those. Yes bavumile, but abaphuma ngendlini besithi bayokwenza lando. That's all my take, and I didn't follow much on the story ukuthi sihamba siyaphi, but ndinayo mna into ethi on my side, the guy is not alone. There is, if you can say, there is an army of these people that are being sent to do this thing to our country.
Okay. Into wrong emaphoyiseni, into mayiyenze ngenkani singavumelana uyemaphoyiseni. Mawuzongena la e-studio ngenza icansi nawe ungafuni, awuye ekhaya uyemaphoyiseni. So I don't know according kuwe Hotman ukuthi bavinjwa yini ukuthi baye emaphoyiseni. Because bathi bayabapha imali mabasho, so bayayithatha le mali le, then bangaya emaphoyiseni, then bafuna ukuthatha i-further step because of lento say ku public, or babatheknisha ukuthi once waye emaphoyiseni sizokuyenza. We don't know ukuthi kusho kuthiwa. Understand? So I want to know ukuthi bazivinjwa yini ukuthi bahambe bayovula baningi. Ngibone enye list bashilo babeke nama province ukuthi labantu laba lamantombazana ahlalaphi. Lamajita ashaya yonke ama province, ayikho province engayishayanga lamjita angayivula iorganization. Lamjita if mangathi ngicela ukuvotela ngivula organization ayangaphatha babhaya bamama, and udlalela lapha emakawusini lapha phansi 2018 yebo. So ilento ngibuzana ukuthi basitojwa yini mangabe wrong or bebangafuni isitojwa yini ukuthi from lapho mabaceda ukulala naye by police station.
Okay, on my side, I would say that the barrier okanye apho izinto babanjwa kuzo khona, it's okanye mandibeke kanje, these guys have founded ways back in our history. There is this family, it's a very powerful family, the Rockefeller family. When you look in their story, how they built their systems, you find it out that they have founded a loophole around learning the law and moving around the law when they doing whatever that they want to do to the system. So for this guy, even if these ladies can go to open the cases, it will be difficult for the case to move forward, only because of they know the system and they have captured them agreeing on that thing that they are doing. So as I said to you, that they call these women to come and do i-post ethile and work into ethile, then xa efika produce something different. And on that point, if inemali niphume endlini nilambile, umntana ndishiye umntana ekhala, bengicinga mfana ndizawuthola ijob now andisayitholanga, and 10,000 ukwenza le way bendiyenza noThabang izolo. I don't see anything as a banja on doing this thing. I can still do it because it doesn't matter. I'm used on doing this thing. I'm doing it with my boyfriend at any time. Now there is 10,000 of which uThabang kanganikayi 10,000 unikeze 20 rand ekuseni for ukhwela ndize kule interview. And then xa ndifika kule interview Thoma ndenze la way bendenza noThabang izolo nayi i-10,000. So it becomes a challenge for them to resist on those things, and then that's why there is a camera that kumele bavume kula camera ukwenzela if uyovula icase they can say here you are agreeing to me doing this thing with you, and then now you are saying sendubhatele now ngokuhambe. So the cases are not easy because of bayavuma and uyayibona ekamereni iyavuma. That's why I'm saying they have founded ways to go around the law and learning the law ukuthi okay ilaw izawufuna lento nale nale. So if the question kumele zazi ezizawubuzwa phaya zakwazi uziphendula, it means that I can get away with it. And South Africa is the way it is today. People, they get away with things that they supposed to abandon them.
It makes sense. It's hard, especially mawukhulisa umntwana entombazana, like it's very hard, very hard bafethu. It's very hard. I remember ngabona enye post ku Facebook. There's a lady ayathi mina I'm doing this thing because of I got the opportunity, and abantu ba complain ukuthi this fans only it's wrong. It's wrong because of akazifike kuwe. You get my point? If now a millionaire saying iza uzongipha ngizokupha 200,000 ulagato ukinelwe uzoya, then udimpho okudimakatsi uzocomplain athi sis uyenze lento for imali. So la mntana bekachaza ukuthi they are complaining because of the opportunity azange yaza kubo, bebangayithatha. It's because of azange kubo yikho seba complain yabo, because of do you think things njengabo fans only it's wrong according to wena? Because of mina on my side I can't judge, but bakhulu laba bantu laba badala, and lento le fana nokuthi kune form eyigcwalisayo like ngefoni mazo register ages yonke into and awforced into ethandwa uwe enza uwe, and into ekenzela imali fast than lo mjida azo complain aqala before kuphi imali. Uyenza same thing njenge fans only, but the different ukuthi wena human being complain before ukhipha imali, laphana a complain before ukukhipha imali.
Keep us straight.
Yeah, so according to wena point of view, are you blaming abantu ababalekele ku fans only bayeka ama human being? Like are you against for izinto enjalo?
The question is uphinde buyele kwinto ngabana as the country we are failing our women. That's why ekuqaleni nitheke as the men we are failing our women, because to me it's a last thing a person can do to use their body to get food in the table. For me for me it's a last thing I would suggest people to go do. If you start to make money with your body, it gets addicted because it's too much easy. You're selling what you have. You don't even think about the ukunyuka kwerandi nokwehlange kwerandi. This thing is just on you. You don't buy anything. It's already on you, and then so it goes back to the laziness I was talking about, that you see ukuthi imali ngayenza kadanga le diding and then uhambe uyoyenza. It's not right. It shows the lack of respect of yourself, and nongabikho smart. You're not smart enough to ukwenza imali nge-sex. I don't think you are smart enough, because you have to stand for yourself and do something for yourself in other ways before that one is the last one. So mhlambi someone will say that, hey, you don't understand, it was the last opportunity, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to use you and make money with you. But I still say that it means that we have failed our country if people are going to start to think a lot.
Bafethu sicela nje A1 ku fan only A1 nje asivakashele. Yathi ingaba mnandi kanjani masizwa from umlomo umnikazi umuntu ayenzayo uyathola nami bengayenza lona nala
ungafonela uNansika nje nawe uve kwabe.
nami bengayenza bafethu imali yafuneka chetha abahlala bafethu isisu asina holiday bafethu isisu asina holiday masilamba silambile senza noma yini for imali just that nathi singamajita mina if beyikhona yamajita bengicala vandag kwatazaka
Imandi ukubuza nawe a question. You mean like if you were a woman you were gonna sell it? That's
Yo.
what you are saying.
awona if benye icherry ngibona ukuthi kuyabheda when it comes to ifinance ejaridini or nakimi kuyabheda mina but bengizenza le private yayi le ukuthi wonke umuntu ubone bebazozwa ngami lapha ku adult shop benye ufuna imihlobo so it is what it is bafethi sanicela whoever at least inyani iwanyana engasivakashela studio then sibe ne conversation man because of nami I don't see any problem but other people bayibona kuyi problem labantu laba kuma fan only and shout out to you bafethu lapho go fans only ngicela ukubuza ke my brother Men for Safety yeah the organization that you chairman I don't know you director or chairman lapho let's talk about Men for Safety. What is Men for Safety? What is Men for Safety is all about? Can you tell us the objective? Yeah, you can tell us the mission. Can you tell us the vision, the resolution? Even maybe in 5 years, where do you see the Men for Safety organization?
Okay. Thank you for that. Men for Safety is about men standing where they're supposed to stand and between danger and vulnerable. So, Men for Safety exists to restore irresponsibility to a man, protection and leadership among men. So, our focus is women, children and community safety. So it's not about blaming men, it's about calling men to back up their duty or to go back to work and make sure that they protect their women, because it shows to us that the government will never protect our women. It means that the government will never protect us the government will never protect our next generations. So we had to do something. We had to come up with an organization that will be focusing in these issues. And now the issues as Akulayo is gender-based violence that is happening in the country. We have broken family structures. Young men growing up without guidance, they end up doing things they're not supposed to do. Communities normalizing fear, ufike kunzima ukuthi uya kwenye kasi ngexesha elithile. Now so uyazi ukuthi if ndiya ndisuka e7 ndiya 6 ngizakubanjwa inkunzi, and then ifuneka to normalize it uthi hey afuneka violate. So we're still working on it in our roots, finalizing paperwork and a lot of things, because we want to reach to Cairo, not only for walk. It's just a continental walk from South Africa to Cairo. So we're using movement as our language to make sure that we have this movement that will spread in Africa as a whole, and we're standing for accountability, unity, healing, action over talk. We don't want to talk anymore. We've been talking about the problems that are facing a country. So as an organization, we don't want to talk too much as other organization. We just want to be on action and stand and make these things. We work because talking alone hasn't been enough. So yeah.
Okay, so where can I find the office, or who can I talk to if I need help? You guys have the office? Are you guys have employees? Are you guys have maybe members? Like, I want you to break down. I want you to take me to the picture. If I see Men for Safety, I know what I'm talking about. The organization that is completely have their own board member, their own offices, or everything is new, everything is still gonna be coming stronger. You get my point? And why should I call you? Why should I come join you? Why should I trust you? And why should I talk to anyone and say you guys are here?
Okay, that also is a very important question. Thank you for that. Because of we have created ways, we had the office in Johannesburg. We've closed when the corona was starting due to the fifth industrial revolution that was taking place, and now we have changed every office. It becomes the digital office. Everything here too becomes digital. We have no offices in anywhere in the country, but you can get in touch with our organizations that we partnered with, and then when you want some help, you can just go to our app, download M4S. It's Men for Safety M4S. We have an app that is coming up 2026. If people want to know more about Men for Safety, can go there and register themselves and become part of the movement that is moving. And we are moving the country with the storm, and we want to make sure that there are key principles and the philosophy of men that we want people to know about: the masculinity of men, the strength, not noise, the leadership that starts at home, not even online. So a man who cannot protect his environment is not oppressed, he is unprepared. That's what we believe on.
Okay. Tell me, last more time. Maningi amagama, mabitso a mangata, guys. Many names. Why men instead to men?
Okay. When we say men, we're not saying men as gender per se. We are saying men. Men up. Men up. You have to men. You have to stay strong. You have to stand up. That's what MAN stands for us. It's not only men, because we have women that are working in the organization that are helping with things that we do to the communities, to the programs that we do. We have a lot of women, but it's called men because of saying men up. If you check also in the Bible, when they will say something about men, it's not always going for a man as a gender, because it also goes for a woman's side, as you have to man up as a man of God. Not, you never know or never heard them saying a woman of God. Do they say that? I'm sorry.
Okay,
They
no,
do
I
what
hear
they
you. I
do.
hear you very well. I hear you. Perfect. Men for Safety. Ikhona website ne, or
Yes,
if you ungabhala kanjalo.
menforsafety.com or .org.
Oh, okay. I nizwile bafethu, nizwile sanicela. Support bafethu. Masiphakamiseni. Ayiphathwa umlungu. Ayinene nasopolisi izinto mangabe akusize belungu.
Nazi izinto abazawuhlangana nazo when they go there. We have conversations. If you want to be in touch, you can ask. There is an AI there on the app, that whatever that you want to ask in a real time, you can have a conversation there, a conversation that will help you. If you're having questions let's say ungumama, you have something ongayi-understandiyo ngobaba, you want to know ukuthi ubaba kanye kanye ungumuntu onjani, une-qualities ezileli hlobo nehlobo nehlobo. You can ask that AI for those kind of questions. It can answer those things. And then we have those community works. We have partnered with organizations around Johannesburg, around Ekurhuleni, in Katlehong, khona organization abathi Siskidlava, a humanity organization. We've been in touch, and we have these movements, community works that we do around. We are focusing in art, music, and storytelling to uplift our men on those things. We have men's forum. We have partnered with another one. Yesterday we were finalizing that. Is in Port Elizabeth, Gqeberha. There is bathi yini igama layo azanibetha la madoda ndalibala igama lawo. Okay, ngizobabiza. Okay. We have this men's forum, and then we have these mentorship programs that we do with the organization abathi Bright Ideas Movement. It is based at Imbaza, so it focuses in mentorship of young people and the development of these young kids. So my last one will be, not everyone will walk the distance, but everyone can walk the message.
Okay. I saw ku Facebook page yenu nizoba ne camp le Eastern Cape. Can you tell us kancane nje nge camp, what that camp is all about, and why ifuna abantwana abana 18 kahle yini nibayisapha abantwana, like what's going on, why 18, why let's hambana barona.
Okay. On those problems that we have touched earlier in our conversation, we also mentioned something about drugs that are doing something in the community right now. If you check young people, young boys being in drugs, you would find out that no one is doing something about it. If you can go to them and ask about the rehabilitation of these kids so that they do not continue being on drugs, you find out there are no programs. Even if there are programs, there will be few programs, 2, 3, 4, very few programs that are helping these young kids to stay out of drugs. So that's where we're coming in with a camp. It's a disciplinary camp. We're taking these kids to go in this camp, and they learn the discipline, and we are too strict when it comes to those discipline, and parents, they just go and drop their kids there, and then we take them around. They see how their kids are going to be staying, where their kids are going to be staying. We have finalized the documents that the kids must be there. They are fit to stay with the other kids. We check all those stuff. Our team does those things, and then we take them to this camp, and then they camp there. On the results, man, I wish they can, maybe in somewhere, somehow, where they see us talking, maybe they can comment and say, yeah, I went to the camp like this. It's a disciplinary camp. It worked for me. So a lot of kids, they are saying that these camps, they help them, because we don't take too much time. 21 days is enough with them to put these right habits. We believe that drugs, they become a habit. So and when we want to change those habits, we have that 21 days to be with them, to monitor them, to train them, because our training is also more like a military. It's a tough training. It's not an easy, and it's not a vacation. When they go there, it's a tough training. They train, they build themselves, and it becomes a very powerful thing for us.
Okay, so tell me, izolo ngibonisa omunye message, so angazi ungasifundela. Bafethu, we always get people need help kakhulu bafethu, as a belief. if you have something, maybe old clothes or anything that ungasayisebenzisi, please, we need them, singalahlwa, we need them. Ezabantwana abancane, icathulo sezincane, singashisi, we need them, we really need them bafethu. You can udm lapha ku Khuluma Instagram, Khuluma Facebook page, Khuluma TikTok, Khuluma Twitter. Just send inbox, DM us, usitshela ukuthi wena ukuphi. You can come and fetch those things. People bayanida guys, asebelieve singalahli izinto kunomunye futhi umuntu aswela. Hotman, let's talk about ama-messages, people asking things ungenayo, usaqala, you don't have, but it's hard ukuthi anginayo because of you running. If you yabo bona babona kahle ukuthi una everything. Why? Because of what you doing. How are you? Understand? Understand ukuthi nakumele ukokota yocela by delaying, it seems like uyazibona or like awufuni. But to them, it's not easy to understand ukuthi no, you don't have, we have to go and beg. Yabo. So esibokhuluma izolo ukuthi people are asking, bantu bayacela. So
okay, you know what I like about the message is that you after I send you got the context right. Other people, when they see you walking in the street, or they see you trying and doing things for other people, they believe that maybe you can also do something for themselves. Some they also want to benefit, or some they also they need something from you. So the message goes like this. Uti lo my sister, Uti, I'm really struggling to make ends meet. I just worked last year, May. My parents divorced. I'm asking with my father, who is also not working. Me being a girl becomes more difficult. I can't keep on asking for toiletries, including pads, food, and so on this economy. So I'm pleading, if one can offer me a job, any kind, I'm willing to help with everything that it takes. So it shows you that this for me, tata from the heart, because at the same time, some would say that why you asking me things like this, but it shows how our society is, that today it's becoming more difficult than that you can even ask I would say a stranger, because you don't know this person, and then you just send him the message asking for pets, and this person is a man. So it's always not easy to deal with it. But if you understand it, if you go through it from that family's side, you will see that these women are really struggling, and they need the people who can come up and help them with these things. It's hard. The economy, as she's saying, the economy is on another level. There's nothing that is happening, guys. There's nothing, no development, nothing, none.
Bafethu, as Khuluma is name of our podcast. Please subscribe on Bafethu. Ipress neskwini lapho phansi ukuthi each and every episode ukhona ukuba updated. You understand? And sancela bafethu, ever if you need a cleaner, ufuna umuntu okwasha, ufuna yini, please cala ngokuzo-DM. We do have those people. We do have a list abantu who need izinto ezifana njengalezo bafethu asebelieve. Mawubona kahle ufuna umuntu ozokupendela, ufuna in before ungahamba uyofuna i-game ngaphandle or anything, cala la, especially mawune izinto zakudala, or you willing, you run i-organization, you do have pets, you do have uniform, you do, they always sponsored you ngama-toiletries or izinto zamantombazana. Please, if ufuna ukushare, please sancela, you can comment la ku-YouTube usho ukuthi okay, here are my number, please ngithinteni, I do get such things, sizoshare ase-belief masincedaneni bafethu and avoid lezi zinto lezi ezenzakala la in our country whereby intombazana yaswela ayikhona ukuthola izinto, kumele wenza icansi, kumele ihambe yokuthola imali kuphi ngendlela e-wrong ukuzothola lezi zinto lasicela bafethu. Singakhohlwa bafethu, khuluma, just subscribe bafethu, upress isquilling ukuthi sikuhighlight ku-next episode bafethu. Remember Sakitlen Mokoena, ngichoma ngicwenza ngichoma ngichosha ngibopha iphondo, out grand, out entsimbi, out ethol bafethu, out eshaya ngebrush. Khotmalami, okay, masesivala kokugcina, ngiyacela Khotman, ngicela ngikhulumele nabo sister ukungibhekelele yakhemeka la, ungikhulumele nabo sister bethu, whatever advice. I know, you know very well ukuthi ngeke bayithathe bonke, ngeke bathi bayithathe because of banama reason wabo ukuthi whatever ikhuluma izabe kuyidoti, you understand. And another thing, Khotman ngiyacela masingawisanini esama podcast, isipani sethu ukuyenza ukuthi abantu sibakhuthaze, ukuyenza umuntu ukuthi makabukele abe motivated, hayi ukuthi makabukele after episode azibhlungu. Like it's very hard, especially most of the time thina sifocus ukuthi umuntu omnyama uwakuphi, akazi nakawani ngibone kumlungu.
What I would say to Sister Bethu emakhaya is that we once had this vision and this program that we were working with another lady in Albertine, I think. She had this vision of doing the pads as washwai. If our woman can say it's another option, let's go for it. We are willing to help, and we can singafaka isandla to those that they are struggling, because yena my sister, she knows ngabana izinto zayo zithini zihamba kanjani. The information enayo is that there is that option. If ever ufila ngathi we can use, I can use that one. That is another route available at any time for them. They can come at any time. We can help them with that one. Also is that ningavele nithathe decisions without resisting and without being smart about them. Whatever decision that you want to take, more especially if something that has the man inside, someone has to resist and think about the consequences and their thing that they can say or I don't know how to put it, but I would say that it needs us as men to make sure that our women are being protected, our kids and the next generation is being protected from the enemies that are coming into our country. So we can see what is happening, that there are those podcasts that they are killing our black narrative, our black women. Guys like Steve Biko, they spoke about these things, the black consciousness in the book, Black Consciousness. There will be these propagandas that will make sure they dictate or they try to pull you down. You must make sure that you are always up. Your head is up, you go straight into life, and you never doubt yourself, and never go for it. Don't use it for money. Thank you.
Okay, Bafet, thank you so much, Bafet, for watching. It's our first episode, Bafet. Ningasjudge. Thank you to Sony SA, Bafet. Thank you to Offense Mwase sponsoring. Shuta ngesoni bafethu, sinoma ubani ashuta nge-ZVE1. Yeah, it is what it is. Thank you for Sony SA. Thank you so much. Yasekasi ngeke sivalele ngaphandle. Yasekasi ekuruleni. East Rand. So thank you so much.
You know,
yazi usibuyela usipromise ipalette.
Serious?
Yeah, you once shoot i-advert. Ngisana lapha ku-comment ku YouTube a-comment lapha ukuthi mele sizolanda ipalette lethu. Yeah, so it's a comment. I delete.
Yeah.
I not delete for all. Isasekhona.
Yazi saying that ukuthi supporting our black businesses in the continent, it's something that is very important. If you take your money and give it to the people that they are making you to struggle, it's a waste. We have to find ways and channels whereby we will, whatever that we are using as communities, it comes from us. If you look now, you can say that, I look nice, what, but yonke impahla le uyigqokayo ayiphumi khona ekhantrini yakho. Kuthi ukuthi someone planned for you. It means that thina we become more consumers by asikwazi into ngamana sithatha into zethu nathi siyozithengisa. They can come up and say that South Africa is there, ithengisa imoto zayo in USA, BMW, and then when you go deeper you find out what South Africans are not they are not owning BMW, but you are saying that if South Africa are benefiting from BMW, how? By jobs, and the fifth generation is taking up those jobs, and it becomes the problem, not only for us but for the whole continent, because we are the consumers instead of nathi sikwazi creator on other things. Because there are things othi nawe uzibone uthi usabamba itoothpick xa uyijonga ibhale made in China unga-understand ukuthi you mean kukho umuntu oyothenga itoothpick from here to China, like uyothenga straw from here ayosithenga China. Asikwazi thina uzenzela these things. And I would say that to South African men that isikhathi sobe sikhuluma, I think siphelile, and the only platforms emele sizenze to ukhuluma is the shows khuluma. Those are the podcasts that they have to run the country, where we talk about the things that they are affecting our people, and not go around and talking about other people's businesses, who else is dating who, using the time because of it is the one that is trending. You're talking about shit in the internet. You need to find ways whereby we have to talk about the real stuff that is affecting our people in the country, not this bullshit when they go around and talk about the relationships who failed. If a relationship failed, man, you can get to another one.
Alright, and is that trend that umuntu ofuna uncedo?
Exactly, the nonsense business or the nonsense capitalism agenda is to make sure that as is right, they are not trending. So if we're going to be the victims, noba sesiyazi nyani, we're going to suffer a lot, and lento yabantu abasaleleyo i-affecta nabantu abavukileyo. Every man needs to stand up. It is our country, it is our continent. We need to stand up for our generation.
Hayi, yasho leyo nto. Thank you so much bafethu, singakhohlwa bafethu Skidlava film review ku YouTube. Just search that name, Skidlava film review. Mawufika laphana ungamoshi isikhathi bafethu, subscribe, upress the squealing, then everything esipostayo uzoba updated bafethu. This is our first episode. Nengasjaji sisasebasha shi Khuluma is the name of our podcast. Thank you so much Khotmani, thank you so much to me, thank you so much to the crew, uSamza, uSabelo, uGhost, thank you so much bafethu. Sanele elinye chama izenze enye ke nizombona one day. Whoever interested ukuzwakala uzokhuluma bafethu, ukhipha into la asenzelane favor. Ngakhohlwa izinto zithu bafethu, asiplift talk sanicela, asichumi asicwenzi asichoshi, asenzelane favor. Khuluma into emele ikhuluma bafethu, khuluma. Thank you so much.